YouTuber. This is Angry Tom Tom channel, and today I will be showing you how to connect your device wirelessly. I mean, like to use your tablet as a second device from this device to here or from here to here. Currently, I am connected. I'm connecting my device, as you can see, using the cable and the converter to this two screen monitor, and I have no cable from this laptop, so there's no cable, and I'm gonna connect it to here. So this is like suitable for a trader who needs like more screen. Let's say I'm trading with this computer, and I want to connect it to here because I need more screen, and I cannot afford to buy a screen, and but I get two laptops, so I can connect it. I can have more screen because I have another laptop, but I'm gonna use like this a mouse to go from here to here. Right now I can't, it's stuck. So I'll show you that how to connect it from there, from here to there, wirelessly. Right now I'm connected to this, like two sources, right? There's two monitors outside. So here's how you do it. First, you have to go to the other laptop, and then you go to the uh, I think connect, and then you click the projecting to this PC, right? And then you choose the available everywhere you can project, and then ask to project to this PC first time only, and you don't need a pin for pairing. And this is the settings that you need to put in this laptop, and in this laptop it's the same settings. So you go to the connect, and then you find the device. It should be displayed. It's my Surface Pro 6. This is my Lenovo Thinkpad, as you can see. So I'm gonna connect it, my Thinkpad, to this Surface Pro 6. So I'll just click the SP6. All right. So it's gonna be asking me if I want to connect it. Okay, I'll just click OK. So then it's like connecting it right now. So this is really useful if you are a trader and you can be traveling and you only bring, like, I don't know, two laptops, and you don't carry your screen. You can always use the second screen. See, as you can see, that's my ThinkPad background from here, and you can see it's like it's connected to my Ford display. As you can click the identity, it's number 1, it's number 4, right? I'll click it again, right? That's number 2, that's number 3, right? That's number 4. So that's my background right there, right? That's the ThinkPad background. And if you go to here, you can see the settings of the display. It's 2K resolution, and then you must set here, if you want to have a best connection, you should click to the settings in the wheel here, and then you're gonna click the gaming, because the working and the watching videos in the gaming is the fastest one. So if you open up a YouTube, then it's gonna be okay. So here's I'm gonna move my, hold on, let me make it smaller. I'm gonna move this Windows, all right, to the left, right, all the way to here. See that? Right? So there's gonna be like some lagging, but it's okay, because if you want to watch the news while you are like trading, then you might need additional screen. Or let's say if you want to do like some reading, come on. The quality is not gonna be as sharp as that one, but it's still pretty good. See, it sometimes it's gonna be like pretty lagging, and if you open up a YouTube, it's gonna be before you can't do a touchscreen here like easily, so you have to click it here. You have to go to here, and then um, when it say it's connected, you have to click it. Ah, hold on. Whenever it says connected, you have to click to the connection, and then you can choose allow mouse, keyboard, touch, and pen input from this device. Then you can use you don't have to use this mouse. You can just click here, to change the uh, and then you can use your keyboard to control it. So basically you have like a two keyboard. Let's say if I want to go to a YouTube, then I can use my keyboard. So basically I have like two keyboard that I can use here and here, so I don't have to worry like I have to type it from here. I mean, I can type it from here too, you know. I'll show you. All right, I'll show you. I'll move my mouse here. All right, and then it's pretty laggy, because it's, I don't know, it's like a wireless, so I can type it from here. Okay, let's type cnn.com, cnn.com, right? And then you can see here it's connected, right? So basically you have like to control the keyboard over here and over there, and we'll see the video quality if we try to play a movie. Okay, it's kind of laggy, but if you just like watch, I mean, just do browsing, it's will be fine. Even if you play a movie, I mean, the quality uh is not
Yes,
gonna be
sir.
as good.
I assure you we will find responsible.
Let me make it
Understood.
brighter.
Oh, it will be totally covered.
Okay, that's the quality. It's kind
Yes,
of
sir.
shitty.
Bring
It's
the
kind of
vehicle.
like lagging,
Bye.
right? Like
Sir,
that.
you need
So I'm
space.
gonna be using it for just like
Harold was recording the
browsing of the
prints.
news.
They have a possible ID. He's looking
And
around because severely
also I
wounded
can
persons
move
attacked.
the speaker from this computer to here. So you'll just go to this settings. All right, all right. I use my SP6 uh, speaker, and I can move my speaker wirelessly to here. All right, did you hear that? So right now the speaker is over here instead of here. I can always move it, you know, and I can move it to this display, right, from here. All right, this is the LG Ultra Wide. I'm gonna choose this one. I'll show you. All right. All right.
Unlike you, I actually have
So
a
the
real
speaker
job.
is right here.
I have 2 more weeks of vacation.
So you're watching here. You can
2 more
always move the
weeks.
speaker and move, and you can use this independently too. But I would be, I would recommend you just to browse the news instead of using it for watching videos. And as I think it's not as smooth experience. Yeah, if you just watch the news, I think it's gonna be fine. It's just like moving your laptop, moving your smartphone to the TV. That's how they work. So all these like tablet devices, mostly they have like a mirror case technology for them to be able to move things wirelessly. Like display wise. So usually I open up like one more screen just to look at the time when is the high impact news is coming. So I will be very cautious if the news is coming. I will be like avoid putting a position when I'm trading. So you have to be like really careful. I mean, you have to be really careful. So you have to open up like one more screen, because if you open up a screen here, sometimes it's not enough, you know. If you're trading using the screen, then you want to put the news here. You don't want to put on top of each other, you know, because you can't see everything, you know. You want to be able to see everything clearly, just like this. All right, all right. Let me click this. All right, so that's my screen trading setups. So you want to have like 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want. Of course, the your RAM, I mean, you have to have like a maybe like a bigger RAM if it is like lagging, you know, because the program is like heavy. So I hope you find this video useful. I suggest like your computer that is connecting to all this device is like the highest specifications. You don't want to use like a slow computer and then connect it to the faster computer. It should be the other way around, because this one is like high intensity uh, um, data transfer between the internet and the wireless. So you gotta be smart, you know. So I can move here, right? That's my mouse, and then I'll move to the left, right? That's okay. So hit the thumbs up button if you think, and subscribe if you think this video is useful. So it's pretty lucky if you have like most of the device right now, it's, you know, it has like a mirrorcast technology. All right, so that is connected to all 4 computer. I mean, this is the number 1 is my main display, and the number 2 and 3 is on my left and right, and number 4 is the my Surface Pro device. All right, and each one of these device has its own resolution. So thank you for listening. Stay strong and question everything. Angry Tom Tom channel.